Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the parish of Portmore. Now, Cabinet has approved the new map of the proposed parish of Portmore. So this is another step that Portmore is getting closer to become the 15th parish of Jamaica. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is going on. Cabinet has approved a map of the proposed parish of Portmore prepared by the National Land Agency. This was disclosed by a minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister with responsibility for information, Honorable Robert Morgan, during the post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. He said the map's approval is a technical step that forms part of the process to make Portmore Jamaica's 15th parish. Mr. Morgan further stated that the government remains committed to Portmore's designation as a parish. As you know, this process started a very long time ago, from I think as far back as in the 2000s, and there were town halls with the citizens of Portmore. The NLA was engaged, the Portmore Municipal Corporation was engaged, and other various stakeholders within and outside of government were engaged to come up with this boundary. The next step is to table and amend the bill in Parliament so that Portmore can finally become a parish, which is a commitment that this government has consistently made, Minister Morgan said. So that is the end of the update article. So, guys, what do you think? They didn't post a picture of the map, but as soon as we get it, we will bring it to you guys. So, what do you guys think about Portmore becoming the 15th parish? Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.